Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorials, how to extract points from shape or 3D object. For example, in here I will create a rectangle, okay, in this top view. And if you want to extract point from these rectangles, you can select the object and then go to extract point. I click in it and then choose extract point. So you can move the point back into here, and we have this 4 point from this rectangle object. You also can extrude cube this rectangle to the top, and then we can extrude again this object. You can select, go to extract point, and then we have a point from this object. Okay, that's it for basic Rhino tutorials, how to extract point. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.